Kumar, and now today I'm very fortunate that sir give us such type of opportunity to share my own experience about this institute. Firstly, I want to start it with my first day when I was admitted here. When I was admitted here, then I totally hesitated then what type of questions are asked to me. And I come in the office and sir asked me why you want to speak English. Then I didn't get him for the first time. Then I asked again, sir, can you please repeat it? Then sir repeated that why you want to speak English. Then I was told him that sir, nowadays English is got very important for in every sector, in private, in government, for any interview like that. Then sir, okay. I am totally hesitated. My body is too warm, and I am means very my heart palpitation goes increase like that. And I used to sit at the first bench here. I have no any friends. I don't want to make friends because you also know about it that if you make friends, then you are busy with your friends. And now you can see that sir give me opportunity to share my experience. Then there is some reason behind it. Because now I think that I am improving more and more, and I also think that I have to improve more. As you all know that there are more activities which can't give you the another institute, and there is very less number of institute in Patna for the spoken English. You got here the debate, JTM, group discussion, seminar. These types of activity can't you get in the another institute. As you see in the banner, expert in spoken English training. What is means that you have to you have to speak in English, and whenever you come here, then just try to don't use Hindi. Just make it fasting of Hindi. As I think sir already told you that whenever you come in this institute, just ignore Hindi and just try to speak English. Whether it wrong or right, it doesn't matter. Just speak in English, and it is our learning stage. We don't have to say on it that what people think about if I got wrong, just like it. I visited many types of institute for the spoken English. As my home, this institute is very far from me, about 3.5 to 4 kilometers away from me. But still I am here because this institute, I see what type of activity is done here. This institute give you the environment to speak English. This institute give you the various types of activities. As like another institute, if you go in the another institute, then he suggests you that buy this book, and they only do the theory. But in this institute, theory as well as practical, both are given. As one of my friend already told you that if you are doing well, then you get permanent membership here. And there is term condition also to make consistency. If you make consistency, then you will improve more and more. And you all are here. I don't know about you all, but my batchmates are doing are doing spoken class from many months, and still you can see them that they are very fluent speaker. More than me. I just joined here for 3 months, and you can see my improvement. How can I speak in English? Also, when I joined this institute, I won't be able to speak a single line. Even I am from the CBSE board, but in spite of this, I am not able to speak English. Then I joined here, and now you can see that how I can improve. And also, sir give me the guidelines. If you want to be a fluent speaker, then just follow the guidelines given by the sir. As sir already informed you that if you have given some topic to speak on that particular topic, just record it. And by making eye contact in the phone camera, nowadays you all have phone. Just use it in the right manner. Record yourself and find the mistake where I do mistake, so that you will be able to make eye contact. I see many types of people that in this institute that they would not be able to make eye contact. Why? I think they don't follow the guidelines of sir. Sir told us that do practice, but what they do, they don't do practice. If sir left that this class, they make their own conversation. This is not the right manner to improve yourself. I also used to practice daily, but when sir left the class, I will be silent. Then one day sir noticed me that how it be possible if you don't practice, then how can you improve yourself? Then after it, I'll do more and more practice. Then I will join in this batch for the as like the permanent membership. So, and I think you all are experienced well here, and just take consistency so that you will be able to speak more fluent. So that
every country have a different tone of English. How can we understand and how can we talk with them?
it doesn't matter what the tone. If you know English, how to speak English, how can conversate with them. If he speaks English, then obviously you know about English. Then you understand very easily that what he say and what I have to answer him. Don't